Hi, Conastan to Ben from Bite Size Irish here, and today I'd like to take a bite-sized look at how to pronounce the names of some of the main rooms in the house. Right, so the first thing to say about this is the names of a lot of the rooms in the house naturally have the word room in them in Irish, and the Irish word for room is seomra. 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 So let's start initially with the rooms in the house that have this word seomra in them. Let's go. The bedroom, we have two terms. So an seomra lappen, an seomra lappen, an seomra lappen. This can also be pronounced an seomra lappe, an seomra lappe, an seomra lappe. Another term is an seomra cuddelte, an seomra cuddelte, an seomra cuddelte. And this can also be pronounced an seomra cullete, an seomra cullete, an seomra cullete. The bedroom. The second term translates as the sleeping room, strictly speaking. The bathroom, an seomra fulke, an seomra fulke, an seomra fulke. The dining room, an seomra bia, an seomra bia, an seomra bia. An alternative term is an preen seomra, an preen seomra, and again, an preen seomra. The sitting room, an seomra si, an seomra si, an seomra si. And you may also hear an seomra sitte, an seomra sitte, an seomra sitte. Upstairs, huas staire, huas staire. Downstairs, hias staire, hias staire. The kitchen, an chisten, an chisten, an chisten. The kitchen. The hall, well, that's simply an halle, an halle. The toilet, we won't go there today, but the Irish for the toilet is an leithris, an leithris, an leithris. And when we say an leithris, we're referring to the WC or the lavatory, let's say. We don't use seomra fulke when talking about going to the toilet. So if you were out at a pub or a restaurant and you wanted to know where the toilet or the lavatory is, you would say Caile leithris or Cá bhfuil an leithris. Where is the toilet? Let's finish today with a seanachal or proverb, and this one is similar to "there's no place like home" in English. In Irish we say "Níl aon tín tán mar the hín tán féin." Níl aon tín tán mar the hín tán féin. And again, níl aon tín tán mar the hín tán féin. Tín tán is fireplace or hearth. This means there's no fireplace like your own fireplace. Or in my case, there's no fireplace as dirty as your own fireplace. Me Ben, till the next time, slán go fóill. Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge gach lá 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.